step into the Jeep 2020 Cherokee Latitude Plus. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 2.4 Li 40 MAIR with ESS, STD, tires, 225/60R17 BSW all-season, STD, black cloth premium vinyl bucket seats, power front fixed rear full sunroof, quick order package 2BD included, engine 2.4 Li 40 MAIR with ESS transmission, 9-speed 948 TE automatic, gross vehicle weight, 5050 lbs, STD, 3.734 axle ratio, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7 satin carbon aluminum, STD, and premium Alpine speaker system. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you.